Save slot 5. And then here we start with the run, okay? Make sure live split is selected. Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Timer started. This is it. Look at that! Don't use the avatar, it's slow!
What's that? It's fast.
Yeah, well, teleport! Teleport, we're losing time! Well, when I say we're doing a run, you teleport straight away.
Okay, okay.
Well, we can probably do another couple after this if you want to, if we've got time. Yeah, learn to not turn your camera when you're doing this. Oh wait, we're going. It's slow. Oh, I cleared all the splits, so they're all going to be gold splits, so they cleared them.
All right.
Okay, let's hope for a good one this time. So now that you know about all this stuff.
Oh wait, no.
This is
How do I get out?
Square.
Okay, cool. I died.
Got it. Good.
I got launched.
Great. Just mind flip through.
Okay.
I might just it might just have to be me.
This one's quite easy, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I won't have to wait for you to do it because I'll just show to the end.
Okay, go.
Done. Now you do have to do the mind flips here.
Okay. Yeah, I know this one. Yeah.
These ones can be annoying, simply because there's so many enemies in the room. Got it. Jump. No.
No, wrench. Wrench is better. I think wrench is better for these.
Yep, I need mines again. Got it. Oh no, we've only got this. Yeah, you've got one chance. Hang on. I'll have to do this by myself because there's no ammo crates.
Gotta go quick.
So.
Wait, I can't get any closer to you.
Got it. Got it.
Good.
See, that's where the avatar is. That's where the avatar is actually good. Right, well, I'm mashing L2. Come on, get the turret. You missed it.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you got it.
No, I didn't.
I didn't see any star.
Well, the turret's got a star on it, and it's got its massive red dot.
Okay.
So look, there's a star underneath the dots on these turrets down here.
Okay.
I know the route. So I was looking through. There are a couple changes to the co-op AEC plan.
Is it?
Yeah. So the one skill point that we couldn't get in co-op, I have to do that solo in the NG Plus run because there's still skill points that we get on the 80% run.
Alright.
Right, can we get it?
Like Star Wars.
No, I always do that. I always want to go to Catacomb 4. It never fails.
Let's go.
Right, here we go. It's 3:20. So we might have time for another one if you want to.
Let me check. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do one more after this.
When you can we can learn from all the optimizations that we can learn from all the mistakes that we made this run.
Yeah.
And how to go fast. And I can start by not doing that, by not doing a super long hyperstack.
Hyperstack.
So I can we confused Musa when we did the last run because he thought we bopped in for second place.
Oh.
Must have been co-op solo.
Hey, look.
Like warp. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look away.
We should be alright for mines.
We won.
We win 1 of 3. Actually, no, we don't put 3. We hit these. Okay, get ready to charge.
Stop. He squashed me.
Oh dear, hang on. I was saying, I think if I could get through the wall before you respawn. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And then I might go into town afterwards.
Yo,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah. Come on. Bye bye.
See ya.
I mean, look at that. Like, the flower leaves a path
Oh, bro.
as it
whoa.
goes.
I went. Okay, let's go up. Did you see how fast it was?
Yeah. Right. Okay. Get ready for the walk.
It's lagging. Okay, I'm getting.
I missed that. Come on. You want to. As soon as I get on there, you want to get on the platforms.
Okay.
Go. Nice.
That was a better one than last time.
Right. Now,
Look out.
do we go for Central Core Clip today? Probably not. No. I'm not good enough at it yet. Right, here we go.
Last one.
And then we got box. Now we do actually have the Ravager. So
Wait. We've got the
we've got the Ravager.
No, the damage boost.
Yeah, that's what I'm calling the Ravager.
Oh, is that what you're calling it?
Yeah, well that's what it's called in solo, the Ravager.
I call it damage boost.
Yeah, but that's the thing. It could be either a damage boost or a shield. Jump.
No.
Is that one?
I have it.
That one might actually be easier to walk through.
You think so? Okay. I remember that.
Alright, look out. You remember you're using the grind cable. No!
I'm faster.
Yeah, sure enough. Don't plant. You plant that bomb, conserve mines. Not like that. Ignore the turrets.
I know.
Do clip through this one.
Okay.
Or we've got 3 more. We've got 6 mines between us. Okay, you got 5. You got 5 chances.
I got it. I know what to do. Just need to get right in it.
Jump. Right. Plant the first one.
Oh, which way
Block you off.
I got both of these ones. Watch out.
Did we get the one at the start?
Yeah. Did you get it?
No, we didn't. Okay. Get ready on damage boost. Okay?
Yep. Wait, just let me get my arbiter. Ready?
Go.
Damn it. Yes!
Oh, come on! That was not a 1 cycle. You need to go over here.
Easy. Done.
Right.
There's like range.
9:52. That's a 4-minute. That's a 4-minute PB.
Fine. Thanks to the range boost. But next time will be better.
Yeah. Which is
Note to
9:52. That's fourth. That run there is fourth. Now, are we going again?
One more. Now we know what we're doing.
Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom quickly.
Okay, go.
I'll just save this. Okay, save. Run screenshots. NG, no LC. It's co-op. Run 3. Run 3. Okay. Then close that. Discord. Post. Run 2. Wait, no, hang on, that's the any percent one. That's the any percent one. Run screenshots. Yes, LC. Co-op. 4th. Okay. Open that, put that back up, put OBS on top, put that there. Reset the timer. Go to the bathroom. Alright, skip that, so...
Allow me to slip into something more.
I might as well just do that. Just in case. Right, here we go. This is gonna be let's go. So we can't use slot 5 because we've already used it for a run.
Okay. What other ones can we use?
All the other ones pretty much.
Oh, cool.
So
I haven't had any locks whatsoever.
no. It's easy.
Mm.
Too easy.
Too easy.
Right, okay. Stop